Hello and welcome to the second page of Assignment X. We're on page 252 and we are applying the theorems of one side of a triangle. The longer the side of the triangle, the longer the opposite angle, and vice versa. The larger the angle in a triangle, the larger the side opposite that angle. So what we're trying to do here in 1, 2, and 3 is list angles or sides in order from least to greatest. Now if they give you sides, you list the angles. If they give you angles, list the sides. So for number 1, the angle opposite the longest side would be S, because it's opposite the 48. Angle S is our definitely largest one, so we don't want to do that one first. We're going to list that from least to greatest. The smallest, let's go to the smallest. RS, 23.7 is our smallest side. That's opposite angle T. Next up would be TS at 35, so that's opposite angle R. Then our largest is angle S. So there's least to greatest, the order of the measures of the angles. Number 2, they give you the angles, we got to list the sides. Our smallest angle is angle T, and that is opposite SR. So we're going to list that first. The next largest angle is angle R, that's opposite ST. So we'll list that next. Then next is angle S, that is opposite RT. So least to greatest, there's the sides. Okay, and then number 3, we got sides and we need to list angles. Smallest side is AB, 3.8, so that's angle C is our least. The next is 4.0 AC, that's opposite angle B. And then we have angle A, 4.3, opposite the 4.3 side. So there you go. 4, 5, and 6. We're given the sides of all these triangles, and we need to list to say the relationship between these angles here. And we're just going to list it as less than or greater than. Okay, so we have angle R, measure of angle R, compared to the measure of angle RUS. Okay, well here's angle R, and that goes with 21.6. So we can kind of associate that with 21.6. RUS goes with two sides here, 13 and 25, to make 38. So we can see that the side opposite RUS is bigger, so that means measure of angle RUS will be greater than. And so that's our answer for 4. Now we're going to look at T, and angle T is right here, and that's opposite 35. So I'm going to put a measurement there for 35. UST, the opposite of that is 25. So it is obvious to see the measure of angle T is greater than the measure of angle UST. Alright, next up, number 6, UVS and R. UVS is opposite 35, and angle R is opposite 21.6. So it's plain to see that the measure of angle UVS is greater than that of the measure of angle R. Okay, now it's opposite here. We have the sides, and we are going to compare them based on the angle measures. But first, we're also going to list these angles here. Angle CDB is going to be 60, and linear to that is ADC, which is measure is 120. AC is opposite of 120. BC is opposite of measure of angle 60. So it is obvious that AC is greater than BC. BC is 60 again, and DB is opposite 30. BC wins. BC is a bigger segment, and therefore the angle is bigger. The angle is bigger, so therefore the segment's bigger. Greater than DB. And then lastly we have AC. Notice AC is opposite 120, and DB is opposite of 30. We have AC greater than DB. And there you are.